Hey there, so I had done a drawing here before and I washed it off with the rain and some soap, and I'm gonna now do a Halloween drawing with chalk. So what I've done is I've outlined everything in a neutral color so I can still see it, but it's easy to color over. What I'm going to do, starting on the bottom shelf, is I have a Black Widow spider, there's Jack Skellington, pumpkin, going to have the clown from It. Here I have Drac from Hotel Transylvania. Over here, going to have a bat in the style of Mavis from Hotel Transylvania. And then coming out of the scene is going to be Slimer from Ghostbusters. So I'm going to start blocking in the color. Now sometimes people think that, you know, your drawings just are perfect the first time, and I always tell my students that there's reason pencils have erasers, but this is basic blocking in of color. And then after I do this, I'll go in and refine all the details, add black and white, which really adds that contrast. So I've got Slimer done. I went in and I added the details, black and white, highlights, outlines, all that. And I'm going to move on to the next one. Now I'm going to work on the pumpkin. The trick to getting an outline of a pumpkin is to make sure that your lines are curved. That's what's going to give it that round look. So I blocked in the color in the pumpkin. The trick to blending is to blend in the direction of your lines. Don't just blend all over the place. You want to blend in the direction of your outlines. So now I've got Slimer and the pumpkin done. Pumpkin was pretty simple, just layering different colors. And I will move on to the next one. So right now I've drawn the outlines for Jack Skellington, and he's mostly black and white, so it's just going to be an outline and filling in. Bummer is I only have a tiny piece of black left because I had another little chunk and I dropped it in the rocks, and now I can't find it anywhere because it totally blends in. So I'm going to have to do the rest with just this. Okay, and there's Jack Skellington. It's the best I could do because I ran out of black. Gonna have to get some more now. Just got doing Drac from Hotel Transylvania. This was a tough one because smaller and more detailed, but it's over a very rough surface and a few lines. If you're wondering, this is not an easy medium or surface to work with. So as you can tell, it is now dark outside. I've been working on this on and off all day. I am now having to shine a lamp on it, but I do have the bat done, Mavis. I got Drac done, and I'm going to work on the final two, which are the Black Widow spider at the bottom right corner and creepy clown. So it's nighttime now, and I pretty much got all the details done. I got the clown, bat, Slimer, Drac, Jack Skellington, pumpkin, and spider crawling out. I also got the bricks done. Just we'll go in with the final details and clean everything up in the morning when I have better light. So here it is in the daylight, all done, at least I think for now. Got Jack Skellington, the pumpkin, got the Black Widow in the bottom corner, Drac from Hotel Transylvania, the creepy clown, kind of inspired by the one from It, and then I made some modifications, the bat, and of course Slimer, all coming out of a Halloween sky.